Hello everyone. Today we have an interesting topic. Not most YouTubers are aware of this. This is regarding the notification bell. So in my previous videos as a startup, I've been always asking subscribers to hit the notification bell. What I didn't know was that they were unable to do that, and I was unaware. Uh, so to fix that, you either use someone's account to subscribe onto your account and try and hit the notification bell and see what kind of error message you receive from. And so what I did was, I was fortunate because I have two Gmails, so I made two YouTube channels as well, and I just activated a third one third channel with the third Gmail. So from there, with those, I logged in into my second and third accounts or YouTube channels. I was able to find out what's been happening to my account. So today we'll find out how we can do this. So once I hit the notification bell, the message was that I cannot subscribe for updates, notification updates, because the videos are made for kids and there is this community policy. So I could not subscribe for future notifications, right, for future videos. So I tried again and I was able to get into it. So what I did was I subscribed and then I unsubscribed again and subscribe and unsubscribed again and hit the notification bell. It said no, you cannot log in. So I unsubscribed and tried again. It still gave me the same result. So what I did was I left uh, I left the notification uh, bell as it is, meaning that I was subscribing and unsubscribing, subscribing and subscribing. And so I left that as it is, and I log in into my second account. So you see, that's where you can create new channels. So you go to add account. When you tap on add account, you should be able to create a new account. But at the moment, I cannot do it because of um, um, privacy. Privacy. I don't want to type in my password and all this. So what happens is I go back to the channel and type in my name and search for my account. So you can see I've subscribed to this account from my another account to this account, and when I tapped on the notification bell, it was all working fine, and I'm able to get my notification. That's after giving some time, probably few minutes, not more than 5 minutes, but say 5 minutes, and can come back and you will, when you subscribe and try to click on the notification bell, you should be able to do that. So as a channel owner, you are not aware whether people are able to hit your notification bell or not, and whether they're able to get future um, alerts or notifications of your new videos or not. So you can only do that when you log into another account of yours or channel, or use someone's channel. So for now, I, I'm I want to solve the same problem that one of my friends had. So his account is Paradise Channel. You may also want to subscribe to his account. He has the same issue. So if you can see, it doesn't have the notification bell there. So I will want to solve this problem. So I have to log into my another account, which I already subscribed to his account. So I'm going back to my original account, and I'll go to his account. So type in his account name, channel name, Paradise channel, and there are a lot of Paradise channels. So I added PNG, and that's his account. So I'll tap onto his account channel, and it will lead me to his channel. You will see subscribe, no notification bell there. So I will unsubscribe and see what happens when you hit the notification bell. You see the action is turned off for content made for kids. So I unsubscribed, subscribed again, tried hitting the notification bell. Tough luck, same thing. So I unsubscribe, hit notification bell, subscribe, hit notification bell, still. So I decided to give another 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes I tried again. So let's try again. Still, it wasn't 5 minutes, sorry, another 2 minutes or so, or 1 minute. So I unsubscribed, tried again. Notification bell, still. So that I gave another 3 minutes, I think, another 3 minutes again. Um, so just trying to go to policy for community policy for kids video or kids content, and still. So I had to wait for another 3 minutes before I come back again. So after 3 minutes, I'm back. Type in his channel, lead into his channel. See no notification bell, so I unsubscribe. Okay, subscribe again. Notification bell there. Clicked. There you are. It's fixed. So this is how you fix the problem with notification bell. So you cannot do it on your own account. You have to log in into another person's account or your second account to fix your problem. So it's all done. I believe you will go and try clicking. I shouldn't be reminding you. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video.